This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to zoom in on a Mac. So I'm here on my Mac. I'm actually on a website right here. I'm on Google Chrome. So with Google Chrome, it's built in. So essentially, if you're on a browser, whatever window you're on, whatever website you're on, you can literally go Command and the plus sign, and then Command and the minus sign to zoom out. So you can zoom in with the plus sign and zoom out with the minus sign, just like that. So if you're in full screen mode here, like I was there, you can't actually do that for some reason. But you can do that just built in with the plus, with the command and a plus and a command and a minus on a Google Chrome window. So yeah, what if you don't have Google Chrome, and what if you actually want to zoom in on other windows on your Mac? So what you need to do is come down to the dock and you'll find system settings. This is the gear cog icon. If you don't have system settings in your dock, you can find it just by clicking here on apps, and you'll be able to search for sys, and you'll come up with system settings right here. So lots of different ways to find system settings. You should know where it is. If you don't, you can find it right to the bottom here, or like I say, by searching in apps. And you can find that through applications and find system settings as well in the same way. So what do we do when we're here? This sidebar right here, we click on accessibility, then we click on zoom, and you want to change this toggle right here. So by default, this toggle will be off. In order to actually allow this keyboard shortcut right here for zoom in, we are going to click that toggle on, just like that. So what you'll see now is if we open up a normal window, so without that toggle on, we won't actually be able to do any of the zoom moves. We won't be able to do command plus or minus. If we actually want to zoom in here, we need to actually toggle that on. And now this, and again, I'll put this on the screen, but this is the keyboard shortcut. It's the Option, Command, and then the 8 key. So for some reason, it's the 8 key. Kind of bizarre, but I'll show you that now. There you go. So that's the zoom in. And then to do it again, you just zoom out using the same combination. So Option, Command, the 8 key, that zooms us in, and then Option, Command, the 8 key, that zooms us out. So hopefully you found this video on how to zoom in on a Mac helpful. I've shown you two different ways. I've shown you how to do it in general windows like this, and I've also shown you how to do it on Google Chrome, as I showed you earlier. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.